نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هل يستوي الذين يعلمون والذين لا يعلمون وقال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم طلب العلم فريضة على كل مسلم أو كما قال عليه الصلاة والسلام. Invited guests, respected principal, beloved teachers, dear students, and my companions as well as dear audience. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And very good evening to all. I am really thankful to you because you have given me the opportunity to deliver a speech before you about the importance of knowledge. Knowledge is something that will serve your whole life. The most powerful thing in the world is knowledge, because knowledge helps us to distinguish between humans and animals. Every educated person is not knowledgeable, but every knowledgeable person is educated. Knowledge assists us to differentiate between what is right and what is wrong. Besides, knowledge is very important to get positive change in society or country. The knowledgeable person is the richest person on earth, because no one can steal his knowledge, but anyone can easily steal your power from you anytime. The educated person is more important than a rich person, because a rich person can give money to the nation, but an educated person can give knowledge to the nation and can give also increase the wealth of the nation. However, knowledge is increase, knowledge is light, and ignorance is darkness. Education opens the door of success for everyone. Dear friends, now I am going to discuss about the importance of knowledge in the light of Islam. Islam also gives their importance upon searching knowledge. Islam made it a compulsory duty upon every Muslim to search knowledge or education. Allah is the first teacher and Adam was his student. Allah says in the Holy Quran, first of all, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala taught Adam alayhi salatu wasalam, وَعَلَّمَ آدَمَ الْأَسْمَاءَ كُلَّهَا, and he taught Adam alayhi salatu wasalam the names of all things. Islam made obtaining education a compulsory duty upon every Muslim and Muslimah. It has been narrated that Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, طلب العلم فريضة على كل مسلم. Seeking knowledge is compulsory. Seeking knowledge of obligatory upon every Muslim. Another nation said, طلب العلم فريضة على كل مسلم ومسلمة. Searching for knowledge is compulsory for every Muslim male and Muslim female. The Quran says, قل هل يستوي الذين يعلمون والذين لا يعلمون. Can those who know and those who not know be equal? They will never be equal. How will they be equal? Being equal is impossible. However, knowledge is success in today's world. It is not possible to succeed in life without education. Knowledge helps us to solve many problems. There are many problems in life which can be solved with the power of knowledge. Without its power, no problem can be solved. Nobody can deny that knowledge can give people the solution to any problem. Dear audience, now I am going to discuss the merits and benefits of the knowledge in our life and in the light of Islam. Whoever seeks knowledge for the sake of Allah will be rewarded like performing additional prayers or fasting. And Abi Dharr radiyallahu ta'ala anhu قال قال لي رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم يا أبا ذر لأن تغدو فتعلم آية من كتاب الله خير لك من أن تصلي 100 ركعة. Abu Dharr radiallahu ta'ala anhu narrates that Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam told me, "Oh Abu Dharr, if you go in the morning and learn a verse from the book of Allah, it is better for you than performing 100 rakat of salah." Subhanallah. You must be also delighted to know that seeking knowledge is one of the things that will lead us to paradise. Paradise will be our destination. So, we will have no tension, and it is a way to get satisfaction of Allah. So, to know our Lord and to worship Him properly, we have to obtain knowledge. Without worship, nothing can be done. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, "Man salaka tariqan yaltamisu fihi ilman, sahhala Allahu lahu bihi tariqan ila al-jannah." Whoever takes a path to search for knowledge, Allah will make a path of paradise easier for him. Dear peasants, the more knowledge we have, the more power we possess. The more you share it, the more it increases. The more of it you obtain, the more satisfaction of Allah you will gain. So, may Allah give us the true understanding of knowledge and give paradise and give tawfiq to enter paradise. Ameen. No more today. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.